If the Files app is missing from your iPhone's home screen or isn't showing up as expected, don't worry, we've got some solutions for you. This issue can occur due to a variety of reasons. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1, check Hidden App List. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, scroll down at the bottom of the screen, tap Hidden App, enter your passcode, and hide the app from here. Solution 1, check the app library. Swipe left on your home screen until you reach the app library. Use the search bar at the top to type in Files. If the Files app appears, press and hold the icon, then drag it back to your home screen. Solution 2. Reinstall the Files app. Open the App Store, tap the search bar and type Files. If the app shows an open or download button, tap it to reinstall the app on your home screen. Solution 3. Disable restrictions. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, select Content and Privacy. Restrictions. Ensure that iTunes and App Store purchase is set to allow. Check under Allowed Apps to make sure the Files app is not restricted. Solution 4. Reset home screen layout. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Home Screen Layout. This will return all apps to their default positions on the home screens. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of the Files app not showing up or missing from your iPhone's home screen. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.